Are you tired of watching other people quit their jobs while you're still stuck at yours? Well, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make anywhere from $100 to $1,400 or more in a day with digital marketing and online business. This is basically a business in a box. So we give you the website, the sales funnel, the products, community, training, support, and all you got to do is two things, which is start your business, basically set up your business and promote your business. Okay, so start your business, promote your business. That's all you need. And you just need Wi-Fi, your phone, and about 2 hours a day. You don't need tech skills. You don't need a following. You don't need any experience whatsoever to do this. Okay. So disclaimer, this is not a get rich quick scheme. I'm not guaranteeing any results. Everything is based on your effort, right? I've made thousands of dollars with this business so far. And that's just based on my effort because I show up every day because I want freedom. So there's basically two ways to make money, right? You can get a job, which means you're working for other people. You're making other people rich, or you can build a business and make yourself rich. So you can fight for your financial freedom, or you can just surrender to being broke. Okay, so being broke just means you just don't have enough money to do what you really want to do, to live the life that you truly want to live. It doesn't mean you don't have any money, but you don't have enough money to live the life you truly want to live. Like the life I want to live, I'm gonna need millions of dollars, right? It's like I want to travel the world, I want to buy the house, the car, travel the world, do all the things, which needs like I'll need millions of dollars to do that. So let me show you how to make money online. Let me break it down really simple. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments. If you want to get started, wealthwithdan.com. Okay. So if you're new here, I'm Dan. I'm from Michigan. I'm a former Marine. I'm a former monk. Now I help everyday men and women make 6 and 7 figures online. I'm also a musician as well. So this is how you make money online. Okay. 3 steps. This is how businesses in general work. Offer, system, strategy. The offer is what you're selling. That could be a digital product. It can be a physical product. It can be an opportunity. It can be a service, right? And I recommend digital products and I recommend earning 100% profit. We earn 100% profit here. So you're not splitting profits. Okay. It's not MLM. It's not affiliate marketing. You're not splitting profits. You keep 100%. Okay. Step number 2 is a system. This is what automates your business, right? People go to your website, but before they go to the website, they go to your capture page. They put their email in. They watch a video. Okay. The video does the selling for you. And then they get emails from you. Okay. So as soon as you put your email in, it triggers an automated, email sequence. So they're going to get emails from you every single day, following up. So you're following up with your leads, your potential customers through your emails. So you don't have to get on the phone with people. So step number 3 is a strategy, right? This is marketing and advertising. This is how you attract customers. We teach attraction marketing, right? So you just post 3 pieces of content a day. Like there's 4 kinds of content, right? There's audio, there's video, there's images, and there's written content. Now I create a lot of videos, like 7-second videos and talking videos. Okay. And you can also do images. I do images too. But like you're just posting content, right? Simple. And we teach you how to do this. Like we teach you how to post content, even if you have zero experience. And then you can also go live on social media, which is what I also do. And you can also post free ads on high traffic websites. And then you just go through a little bit of training. So this is what I personally do every day. I post content, I go live, I follow up with messages, and I go through a little bit of training. That's how I build my business, 1 to 2 hours a day around your schedule. Simple, super beginner friendly. Like if you can copy, paste, and post, then you can do this. The rest of it's just, mindset stuff. Okay. So wealthwithdan.com, go there, check it out. Now I'm going to share my screen with you. I'm just going to show you what the business looks like. I'm going to give you a little quick walkthrough of everything. So if you have questions, drop it in the comments. All right. So let me just go here. Make sure we're on the right page. Okay. Here's what our system looks like. This is what, when you start this business, you get this pre-built system sales funnel. So it looks like this, right? We got a capture page here. You see that? That's my picture, me in Florida. All you got to do is put your picture here. People put their email in, right? They type their email in, and then it takes them to the next page. This is the thank you page. They watch this video. This video explains everything. And then they click on the button, which will take them to, well, this is another video we have inside of people's emails. And inside of the emails, they click on the button and it'll take them to this page here, which is the website. So what is this? This is a beginner-friendly program to build online income flexibility and freedom, okay? So you get access to training, tools, and community support designed to help you launch and grow multiple income paths at your own pace. A beginner-friendly way to make money online using done-for-you digital products while developing the skills to unlock even more income opportunities, okay, including a global business opportunity, which is this business. Okay, you're building recurring income streams, monetizing social media, email marketing, affiliate marketing, create your own digital products. You also can learn UGC, brand deals, TikTok shop monetization, and become certified in digital marketing. So you're not just accessing income streams, you're learning how to build them. You're learning you're building multiple opportunities that can grow together. Okay. So we have a community of over 59,000 people, over 60,000 people now. We did $29 million in sales by reselling these programs in 10 months. And we teach you how to get your first customer in 7 days. So you launch your business, you start your business, you go through the training. It teaches you how to get your first customer in 7 days, what to post on social media to get your first customer, right? Because that's what we do. We do like social media marketing, right? So we use social media to attract people. So here's some testimonies on the website. Why do people love our program? Because it's beginner friendly, no experience, no problem. 2 hour a day workflow, work anywhere from your schedule, available in English and Spanish, global opportunity, simple steps and tools to follow, no tech overwhelm. Keep every dollar you make up to $1,400 per sale, which is what I love about this. $1,400 commissions. Okay. So you only need 72 customers to make 100K, which is about 6 customers a month. You learn how to attract daily paying customers. Okay. And yeah, we have our community, the community. So like we have 60,000 people in our community. We got millionaire mentoring every Monday. So get started before Monday. If you need help, you just ask questions in the community. We help you build your business step by step. Here's your little bio section. That's me hanging out in the Bahamas. I love the beach. If you don't notice, I love the beach. Put your little bio here, put your little picture here. You're ready to go. Okay. Why this is perfect for you is instantly access your pre-built digital business and blueprint that's been tested for success. Just plug in, connect, and start it. Okay, you want to make extra income from home, but you don't know where to start. Your 9 to 5 job doesn't provide financial security and you need a better way. You want to work from anywhere using your phone or laptop. Retirement is around the corner and you need a reliable income stream. You're a busy parent looking for a flexible, family-friendly business. You've tried other opportunities but struggled to see real results. You want a step-by-step system that takes the guesswork out of online business. Okay. And we also teach you to use AI like, ChatGPT, Claude, other little, tools and stuff to help you build your business so you can save time. I use AI all the time. It helps me build my business. And we keep 100% profit here. You become certified in digital marketing. Okay, well, there's a certification training you can go through. It takes like a couple hours. And it's also a global business. So you can learn you can get customers from any part of the world, English or Spanish. Um, yeah, and this shows you. So this is what we sell, right? We sell these digital programs. Okay, they're 5 digital programs. They're basically training programs. They're going to teach you how to build an online business, digital marketing, all the stuff that I mentioned before. Okay, so they're basically training programs. That's what we sell. In the e-learning industry, it's a $1 billion a day industry. The video explains what the programs are, and this shows you kind of what's inside, what you're going to learn. Like there's 6 phases. You're going to learn CEO mindset and clarity, get crystal clear on your niche and who you're meant to help. Phase 2, attraction, get attention and build awareness. What to post every day so you never feel stuck again. Phase 3, build trust and relationships, how to turn views into conversations and conversions. Stage 4, conversion, how to invite people to your offer with confidence. So this works. So once you learn these skills, like these digital marketing skills, you can use this for any business. Leveraging AI online made easy, how to create content in minutes, not hours. And phase 6, monetize, scale your business, how to add additional income streams without starting over. So that's what you're going to learn inside of the programs and more. We're always adding more stuff to the programs too, which is great. So that's basically the website you can see. And then you get these bonuses, thousands of dollars worth of bonuses, free access to our community. You get these free trainings, these other bonus trainings, like how to do faceless marketing, how to create your own digital products and sell them. So yeah, that's the website. That's what the system looks like, right? So people start here and they go through here, they end up here. Okay. So if you want to join this program, all you got to do is purchase one of the programs. Then you have the resale rights to the program. So if you purchase the 1,400, highly recommended, you can make $1,400 commissions. You can only resell the product that you purchase because you have the resale rights to it. So if you have the $1,400 product, you can earn $1,400 commissions and everything below that, right? But let's say you start at the 100, you can only earn at that level. You would have to upgrade to earn it. You can upgrade at any time, but you'd have to upgrade to earn at the higher levels, right? So just like if you want to get started, purchase one of the programs. I also purchased one of the programs. I'm at the $1,400 level because that's the best. I deserve the best. You deserve the best. So I started there. Okay. So that's it. And yeah, you can set this up. We show you how to set up this whole system. Takes like a few hours to set it up. You just got to watch these little videos. It literally shows you how to set up the system. And then let me show you inside of our community. Okay. So you get free access to our community. And we got over 60,000 people, guys. Okay, we got over 60,000 people inside of our community, okay? So let's just show you wins. She made $100 sale, boom. $100 sale for Erica, okay? What did she say? Okay, well, that's not her. Yeah, she said, I thank God and another family life will change financially. Yeah. Okay. Because you're sharing these programs with people. So not only can you learn from these programs, learn and earn, but whoever purchases the program can also learn and earn as well. Because people, I mean, let's be real, people don't know how to make money, right? They say only 1% of people on the planet make over, 500K. So that means most of us we just don't know how to make money because we were never taught how to make money. Okay. Belinda made $1,500, guys, in 2 hours. Boom. $1,500 in 2 hours. See? There you go. She made a $300, okay, sitting pretty in business class to London with a $300 sale. Okay, boom. Another one. You can see everyone's just like comments like, congrats, congrats, congrats. We have a very positive, supportive community. Just being inside of this community is so nice. Plus, we have live events. I've met different people inside of this community. I'm friends with people inside of this community, which is amazing. My first sale, $300. Boom. Okay. And yeah, there you go. That's just one page. We got thousands of wins here. Okay, $1,400 sale. See, hanging out with the grandkids. Look, hanging out with the grandkids made $1,400. That's what I'm talking about. 30 posts per page. We have over 35,000 pages of wins. Okay, and if you're building this business, you can use these wins as proof, as testimonials. I do it all the time because people love to see proof. Okay, they see other people are doing it. Like, well, if they can do it, I can do it too. And it's true, you can. Just like I made $1,400 in my sleep. If I can do it, so can you. Why not? Okay, in the classroom, there's bonus trainings as well inside of the classroom that you can go through and different things we got going on in the classroom. Okay, and then the calendar shows you what events we have. We got a workshop coming up, a free workshop. Okay, and then the map shows you we have people from all over the world. See, look at the map. Okay, it shows you. Look at we have people from all over the world doing this business. Look at every continent. Okay, every place on the planet. We got people all over the place, everywhere. See, global business. Okay. Like I'm in America, I'm from Michigan, but where are you from on the map? There you go. So that's it. That's it. That's a simple like rundown through this business. And if you have any questions, just like let me know. So you just got to get like two things you got to do: start the business, promote the business. Like I started this over 2 years ago. Okay, still building it. No regrets. I've learned so much the past 2 years. Okay, so money loves speed, right? You can start now and you can start learning and earning, or you can wait a week and start learning and earning, but you just wasted a week, or you can start next month and start learning and earning, but you just wasted a month. So the best time to start is now. So you got to set your business up, promote your business. Now let me show you, like, for example, how I promote my business. Like we teach you social media. Like there's 4 ways to promote any business. Okay. You can do like, you can do paid ads, you can do warm outreach, you can do cold outreach, and you can do free content. Okay. We're teaching the free content, posting content on social media. Now, so you can also paste free ads on websites if you want to do that too. So for example, here's my YouTube channel. Okay. So I create long form videos. They're over 10 minutes. Now, sometimes I'm creating a video about the business. Sometimes it could be something about mindset or marketing tips or something like that, business tips. So I do a mixture. Like this is about the business. Sometimes it's other things. And then I do short form videos too. Like my short form videos are like a minute or less, me talking, like putting words on the screen, like 7-second videos with words on the screen. Okay, that's it. And then my lives, I usually go live on YouTube and TikTok simultaneously. So my lives are recorded. And then my playlists, I have some playlists, and I do posts like this. Okay, like this is a carousel post, very simple to do. AI created the words for me. I just copied and pasted it. There you go. Images. I create a bunch of images with AI. There you go. Simple stuff like that. Really not hard to create a piece of content. It takes like 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, it's not to create it and post it like 5 to 10 minutes or less. I know because I've been doing it for over 2 years. So if you have any questions, drop in the comments. Go to wealthwithdan.com. Check it out, enter your email, check your spam, check your promotions folder. You're going to get free access to the Freedom Formula Blueprint, which shows you how to make 10K in 30 days with digital marketing. Okay, so check that out. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you share this with people because there's a lot of people suffering out there. A lot of people are dealing with financial stress. So just by sharing these videos, you can help people out. All right, so I'll see you in the next one. God bless. Have a great day.